everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Musings of Akanksha. I'm Akanksha and in my little corner of internet, I come here and talk to you about life, everything about life, love, happiness, sadness, feminism, parenting, everything that is possible. And today the topic that we're going to talk about is something which is very close to my heart and I'm sure it is close to many of your hearts too. That is mental health. Yes, so let's break the taboo, shed the stigma and talk about the topic which is very real, which is close to our lives, mental health. So come on, as we talk about mental health in a heart-to-heart conversation. In our busy schedule, amidst the chaos of managing work and home, amidst the chaos of race that the life has become now, we forget to take a pause, look within ourselves and check if everything is okay. Well, I'm so happy to say, I'm so glad to share that mental health, which was once a taboo, is now a part of our everyday conversations. Now we are not scared to talk about mental health anymore. Now we are not scared to accept and acknowledge the fact that mental health is also as important as physical health. From celebrities to our neighbor next door, to our bosses, to our parents, everyone is now acknowledging and accepting the fact that yes, mental health does exist. And yes, mental health is also something which needs to be taken care of. Did you know that in a recent study, the number of people who acknowledge and accept the fact that mental health issues are something to be taken care of in urban India have increased substantially? Well, wow, this news is a breath of fresh air, isn't it? Because now we can, actually say that it's okay to be not okay. The walls around the word therapy are now crumbling down. Now seeing a therapist or visiting a therapist or taking a therapy is not met with silent whispers or sideway glances, because now therapists are considered as our guides, as our mentors, as our wellness coach who work on our mind and our heart. Let's accept a simple truth. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness. It is in fact a sign of strength. And embracing therapy or deciding to go for therapy is one of the best things you could do to yourselves. Remember, therapy is not just for those who are struggling, but it is also for those who are on a path of self-discovery and personal growth. If you've ever felt the weight of the word a little too much, I think it's time to seek professional help. And trust me, my friends, professional help is a game changer. It's really a game changer in mental health journey. Now you may ask, what can we do for someone we love who's struggling with mental health issues? First, just listen. Be there, just listen to them. Be there with them, be present with them without any judgments. Sometimes knowing that we are not alone, there is someone with us without any judgment is a very calming factor for those who are struggling with mental health issues. Offer to help them in finding professional help. Sometimes making that first appointment is the toughest task in your mental health journey. Sometimes just acknowledging the fact that we need the professional help is also the toughest part. Support them in that. And most importantly, let that conversation be going. Check in on them, not just once but regularly. Let them know that you love them. Let them know that you care. Let them know that you're there with them, rain or shine. Remember, mental health is a journey, not a destination, and we all are in this journey together, learning, growing and healing. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has touched even this much part of your heart, share it with someone you think might need to hear all this today. Share it with someone you think might be struggling with mental health issues. Share it with someone you think just needs to know this information. Spread the word and make mental health a priority, not just for us but for our community. Remember, you're not alone. Together, we can break this stigma and build a world where every mind is cared for, where every heart is loved. Until next time, till then, please keep taking care of your heart, your mind and your body and keep spreading positivity. If you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. If you want to share your mental health journey with us, please write it in the comments. Also in the comments, write the topics that you want us to make videos on. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And yes, please press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Bye bye, tata, namaste.